Hi, this video is to help you solve the problem of a squeaking, squealing noise coming from this area here when you've got the air conditioning or the heating on in a 2007 Freelander 2. Did steal this information off someone else online, but I'm trying to give you a bit more of an easy to follow solution to it. So if you take off the battery cover just here and then down inside here, there's a plate. You bend this plate down, and then if you look down in there, you can see a fan housing. That fan housing is what is the fan for all of the heating and the air conditioning. So initially I just sprayed it with some WD-40. That seemed to solve the problem immediately, but now I've gone and put some white grease on there. Some white grease, looks like this, and I'm going to give that a go. Once that's done, you just push that plate back up, take away my torch, refit the battery housing, and that's all you need to do.